The next thing that we found relates to permissions, sharing, and privacy. We had sensitive documentation that was shared across the entire space. So I'm going to show you how we're going to make specific documents private, how to make specific documents available to everyone, and then create an area within the workspace that's completely public. So let us go to our space. We're then going to go to the clients list. This is our private documents. So we're going to go to sharing and permissions and then make it private. Now, if you wanted to share it with specific people, you would click on your people tab and then you can invite another person to share the document with you. But once we see that little lock, that now means it's private. Since we can't make a space or a folder or even a list public, what we're going to do is create a document. And these will be our public facing documents. And then from here we can nest the pages within it. So public -1, 2, and 3, and so on. And we're going to go to this one, sharing and permissions, and then share that link with anyone. We can decide if we want to share it with search engines and if we want the public to be able to duplicate it. I'm not going to. And then from here, we have a public facing doc. This means, this little icon means that it is shared publicly. Now, all of the subpages within it would also need to be shared. And we're going to turn off duplication and share the link with search engines if we want to. But once we're looking, so once we're in our public space, we're wanting to see these icons that show us it's available on the web or publicly available to everyone. And then this lock means that it's private, only users with access can see it.